I'm on the wrong thing here. Wait, right, I'm on the right thing now. Right. Let me get off this. Go on this. Right. W Alex for being first. Afternoon Alex, afternoon Philco, afternoon Abusa. I'm good. How are you, Abusa Tim? Afternoon RVC, afternoon Nadia, afternoon Alex, afternoon Gideon, afternoon Chris, afternoon M4. Gold's looking fine. I want to see it retrace a bit more. But I thought I'd show on live stream how unlucky I am recently. So I would have took this. Yeah, 100% would have took this. Looks really good. Stop at this low look. And yeah, I thought I'm not gonna think on the copy, right? But I'll show you how unlucky I've been. So, for example, you look at this range. We've got a really nice range here, right? Beautiful range. Exactly where I want to be when I'm trading. So, pulled this over like this, and as you can see, we've respected the 886 once, twice, 3 times, right? And not hit the stop loss. Guaranteed. I knew this was going to happen. That's why I marked out before we came live. Guaranteed, the one time I try and trade it, it will wick us out. And as you can see here, push down and then 1R. Great. I love trading. Love it. Afternoon Maris, afternoon Chris, afternoon Craig, afternoon Jeff, afternoon Elwin, afternoon Jason, afternoon Sol, afternoon Keith, afternoon Dave, afternoon Lewis, afternoon Will. Greg was unlucky too. It was, I think, 5 pips from entry, then ran 20R. That's long. Yeah, S&P. Yeah, what it was as well. Tinson, I saw that. What's it called? I got out of that one early. As soon as you see, like, as soon as you enter a swing trade, right, and you see it push in the direction you want, and then you see it stagger and then drop significantly, I got out as soon as that happened. I was like, whoa, new. But as you can see here, look, another great thing. So we got wicked. Like, this would have been something I entered, and I got wicked out, and then it would have ran what? Right now it's running almost 3R. There you go. There's 3R. So, look, this is exactly, yeah. I'm at 1,100 for it. Nice, Chris. Afternoon, Sadelam. YouTube just sent me a recommendation based upon your viewing of J Culture. It was Peppa Pig. Huh? What? What? Wait, Lady H, what is that? Peppa Pig. I just find the daily open with no SL and hits TP eventually. Robski, guaranteed, right? I've noticed this as well. Guaranteed. We'll do that, yeah. We'll do like, daily open with no SL. Guaranteed it'll run and just take us out by like million pips. And then as soon as it hits our stop loss, then it will go. Why not? A boost him, why can't you? It's mad how much of a mental battle train is. Lewis, it is, brother. It is. You'll see, like, right idea. This has been the story of my month. Perfect idea, right? Wick in, take the lows of these, take all this low, right? even take this low. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 lows to take, right? And I'm like, yeah, that looks good. Take 4 lows, we'll enter here, right? And then as you can see here, beautiful, beautiful retracement into here. Great rejection, another great rejection, and then we literally one candle would have hit our stop loss, and then look, it ran. What's that? It ran 3.6R so far, and guaranteed it'll break the high. Guaranteed it'll run like 20R. Guaranteed. It is what it is. I always get out when trades lose momentum. Yeah, W Alex. Are you showing your signals there during the day? I am. Yeah, boosting. Lolly. Held it 3 times with an ISL now and made like 3k, but don't think I fancy doing it for a 4th time. You know what? It's not, what's it called? It's not awful to think, oh, there you go, right, here we go. So if we didn't get wicked out here, we'd be running 4.4R. Yes! Yes! Come on. Please help me today. Hit 5 SL in a row. Martin, this is why rules are the most key thing in trading. If you don't have rules, you will literally lose everything. Like, look at my month. I think I've had like a break-even month on live account. Copy I've got destroyed, to be honest. But live account, I've had about a break-even month. But the thing is, right, it's like you just need to follow the rules. Like 2 losses a day and you're done. That should be like one of the main rules. If you lose twice, you should just be done for the day, because losing 5 times in a row, you're just gonna start revenge trading and stuff. Hi Bossman, JB going full port today. Simon, why not? Let's do it. Oh god. Do you use ATR? Jason, I used ATR with like a VWAP strategy I used to use, but not anymore. If I wasn't sleeping, but I would take it out when I'm losing, so sort of glad I'm not awake to watch it. Yeah, agreed, Robski, agreed. Will this range break to the upside or downside? Los Blancos, no idea. No idea. It looks nice though. It is a good range. I'm glad that we're in something like this, but unfortunately, it would have wicked me out. But look at that, man. If this doesn't show you how much of a mental battle trading is, I don't know what is, mate. Like, perfect, pretty much perfect trade, and then we get wicked out. Okay. Afternoon, John. It seems like they're going to do a bit of downward manipulation this week and then continue on their way. What do you think? A boosted, I don't hate that idea. I mean, I haven't even marked up gold actually. I don't think so. I kind of need to mark it up. Oh yeah. Also, this is like another thing about daily open. Like, here we go. Oh. If we go on here and reset chart price like this, let's go out quickly. Right. If you genuinely don't believe me when I say daily open has the right direction every time, it actually does. Like every time I come on live, look. Right. So we pull this like this, get our entry, right? And like Robski said, pretty much every time, if you just hold your stop, it's going to hit TP. I actually hear that. Look. Let's get this and then get this. There you go. So basically, if you just held that, it would have ran. $18R, 17.5R. Crazy. But yeah, a boosting, I like that idea. I think it will retrace a bit more. I'm neutral slash like bullish today. Dollar's very weak. When the dollar's very weak, it's just gold pull back in until it finds the right area to push up. I'm on like a 10 loss streak. I think if I did not have a good mindset or rules, I think I would already be yeah, I agree, M4. My live account has been cooking, but because of the rules in funded hits SL most of the time. Yeah, Rovsky, funded's long, and afternoon, Lazy Queen. My funded is cook thing of getting a new one, but now Gideon, the best thing to do is, oh my god, no way, we've retested the SL twice. Okay, but yeah, Gideon, the best thing to do is whenever like just use your funded till the end. That's what I always say. Use your funded to the end, and then if it if it doesn't go well, it doesn't go well. This is mad, isn't it? This 886 has been like holding up for this long. Crazy. Crazy stuff. Okay. I'm still holding daily open. W Robski, man. W Robski. But yeah, guys, let me know how everyone's doing. Let me know what you're all up to. I am going to actually look for a trade because I feel like we haven't really hit a trade on New York Live in a while. Have we hit a trade on New York Live? I think the last one was like Thursday, right? Or Friday? Thursday or Friday? Well, what do we mean Friday? So yeah, I think I don't really want to look for a sell, to be honest. Right, let me mark up quick, actually, because I haven't even marked up gold yet. What's going on here? This sell was lovely, of course. The one thing we don't take goes well. Average like thing this month, to be honest. Ooh, hang on a minute. Whoa. Let me get this out. Okay, so it is there. Okay. I just had Korean barbecue tacos. Damn. I want some barbecue tacos. Alex, I'm doing this. Alex, you'll like this. I'm doing this like fasting thing at the moment. And all I have in the morning is, what do I have? I have oranges. So like oranges cut up. I have like 2 oranges cut up, like the big oranges, and a peach in the morning. And then I don't eat anything until dinner. You'll like that. I know you'll like that, Alex. This golden pocket here is actually quite nice. But I will be looking at higher. Hey mate, how's it going? Hope you're well. Haven't been able to get on many lives. Internet signals terrible. Yeah, Jasper, I think you told me that. You down in Cornwall now, aren't you? So yeah, sometimes in Cornwall the Wi-Fi. Nah, I'm joking. But yeah, you should probably eat a bit more, Robski, to be fair. However, oh, hang on a minute. Oh, this area looks nice. Ooh, okay. Ooh. This is a nice level. Hello there. And previous low. Just been training the range and walking the dog. Hashtag Moedad. W Simon, bro. W Simon. Love that. What dog you got, Simon? What breed? I'm intrigued. Ooh, actually. Oof. Ugh. Right. That's a nice level. Ideally, I'd want to enter like off. Let me grab this. Off this previous daily low here. So this 886 down here. I mean, it can go through the range. I don't like the level. I don't mind that. But like something like this. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Should have got that again actually. One R would be there. Cool. And then we'd have TP at the top. Sound. Cool. Just keep it like this. I've done so many fasts over the years. Fasting made me lose 50k GA relative brief, so I respect it. Yeah, fasting's good, man. I like fasting. I honestly, I feel better when I fast, to be fair. I feel like I feel like a lot less stressed when I fast as well, if that makes sense. Like, I don't feel like, when I wake up, sometimes I'm like, oh my god, I've got to do this, I've got to do this. But honestly, when I'm fasting, I'm not gonna lie as well, after this month of trading, I think I needed to fast, like, just to, like, chill myself out. Because, you know what trading's like, it's fucking, oh, annoying. Oh my god, our stop loss is 6-7. We'll have TP1 at 1R, because I don't mind that much about that, but TP3 is going to be the high. Oh, now we're sinking through. This is nice. Beautiful. Lovely. Cool. Right. That's all good. Sound. A Labrador and a Collie. Nice. That's nice. Since I started trading my funded, I've learned more than a live would have taught me, because if I had these many losses on my live, I would have just quit. Yeah, fair enough, Gideon. I agree. Alex, that's literally what I do. I'll have like fruit in the morning, eat nothing until about 6 p.m. and then just have like a massive meal, like chicken, peas, anything that's good. Really, like I normally have like my go-to meal is like, you know, if you've ever been M&S, right? There's this like yellow marinated chicken there, right? I go there, get that yellow marinated chicken. It comes with like this yellow sauce on it. So I have peas and I have chips. But for example, where I live, we make our own peas and we make our own chips. So I literally get the chicken from the supermarket, have peas from the garden, chips from the garden, and the sauce. Oh my god, it's insane. Definitely 1 meal a day and lots of water. I'm back on that next week. Nice, Lazy Queen. Isn't July normally Katie, August is normally the worst month for trading in my strat as well. So yeah. Normally, what's it called? Last August as well, I did awful. This August, I'm not doing that well. But yeah, with August, I normally hover around break even. So yeah, we'll kind of hover with the daily open. We'll hover around there as well. I struggled with binging, so eating later in the day really helped. No, I agree. 900 from daily open so far. Thank you, W Robski. Oh my god, it's lazy. Hello, partner. I agree, Lazy King. You don't even get hungry once. You're just... Yeah, I agree. Buzz and J marked up before the call and set a level up 4374 to 4367. Dub. Nearly bang out. Dub? W mans. That's the most ADHD meal ever. I love it. Okay. I've eaten tacos and fajitas most days for the last 3 years. Mate, tacos and fajitas are banging. They actually are. Honestly, I love fajitas, bro. Fajitas is insane. Fajitas is like... Oh. Right, I want to get a sell down to this level. It's actually doing my in. I want us to sell. You know what the ideal thing would be? Like, we push up to this. We sell off from this AA6. This would be like the most ideal thing in the world. Push up to this AA6. We sell off down to 4-3. Like, we'll just go to here. 4-3-7-9. That would be 14R. Little 14R. Then we buy all the way back up, and that's 8R. Do you know what I mean? That's a dub. Hoping to cheer you up, WKE, man. Chips from the garden, you mean potato? Yeah, it's the same thing though, Lady H, isn't it? Like, you make chips out of the potatoes from the garden, didn't you? I had this level marked up. WJC, how you doing? I'm doing good, bro. How are you doing? Let me know how you're doing, man. But yeah, this is definitely this is my plan for today. Literally, you know, I like normally do a plan for the day. This is it. Up, down, like this, up again. That's all I'll be looking at. But I'm hoping we can catch... If we can catch a sell down to it, that is cinema. That would be so good. I'm actually keen to take this as well. VWAP's coming there as well. That's nice. Thing is, though, every time I trade in this range now, after that buy, I'm just like, what's the sell, J chip? I'll tell you in a minute. No lazy chips grow in the ground. Where do you think McDonald's? Oh God. What's the sell chip? I'll tell you, Joe. We're kind of like battering around the bottom, so if we push up, I'll put the entry and stuff on. But right now, it doesn't look like we're gonna get it. But if we do, awesome. Oh my God, there's two ladies today. I'm confused. Yep, Lady H and Lazy Queen locked in. Yes, sweet mate. You ain't been on the lives recently, which tonight. I ain't been on the. Oh, really, JC? What? Yeah, maybe cancel the limit right now. Just cancel it for now. Just cancel it for now. Just cancel it for now. Whoa. What's came out? There's no news. What news? Don't news. What's Trump said? Has Trump said anything? Oh, Donald Trump just tweeted. Oh my God! It wouldn't be a JLatform live without Trump tweeting, would it? There are no talks, conversations going on. Scheduled with the Islamic Republic of Iran. Naval blockade remains in full force effect. The Strait of Hormuz is open, operating. All water mines being removed or detonated. Thank you for your attention, bro. It's not a J live without getting Trump. I'm telling you, it always happens, man. Oh my God! Look at it go all the way back up as well. Jeez. Well, listen, if I had my entry here, I'm just saying, if I had my entry here, what would we be running right now? Hang on, chat. If we had our entry here, what would we be running right now? Let me zoom out here. Right, that would have been the quickest 2R I think I've ever got in mankind. What was that? What was that? What is that candle? What? Right, are we selling back down then? I'm so locked in. Oh, this is such a bad idea, but I want to do it. Right, off this A86, we selling back down then? So you already goddamn know we are. So to the low. So on. So it's on like Donkey Kong, mate. Wait, hang on. Oh, I need to like move this fib around and that. Oh, this 886 is so on. Move. Everybody move. Oh, it's so on. If it comes up here, it's so on. Hang on. Everyone just crashed out. Holy shit, cancel on a fan. There's no dude, the fuck. Everyone just crashed out. The 1 minute before open and he tweets that. How is he not being investigated? What's happening, bro? Trump exactly what hit New York. Sell back down. It's so on, JC. You know what? It's actually on. It's on like Donkey Kong, mate. Are we selling back down? I'm so keen. Can't believe it. I've noticed that it always seems to bounce back. It does, yeah, Simon, most of the time. Jay, did you cancel? I left for a minute. Yes, yeah, cancel. Let's just see what happens. Cancel that buy for now. Trump is a cock, pass it on. I'm literally going to buy from 95 with SL 75. That was close. Oof. Jeff, that was close. I bought in at 4384. Go on, Keat. Wait, you bought in at 4384. Oh god, go break even. Get that in, break even. If this flies up now, W Keat, man. My MT5's froze. I can't do anything. I think my buy limit hits from bottom. Is it either fly to SL or to be not tapped in? Real. I mean, look, I'm not taking this. I'm just putting it on because it's gonna be funny. Because I want to see if it actually works or not. But with what's it called? With everything that's just happened, ideally, this could just fly through. Let me just mark up 1 hour on this. Oh my god, imagine it did that. Imagine it, look how close it was to 1 hour. What's the seller? Stephen, don't worry, we're not taking this. Not after the news, we ain't taking nothing after that. But every time, like, you lot actually don't realise. Well, you do now, probably. But, bro, every time I'm live, every time I do something, this guy is just on my case. August, I've just been targeted. I swear, I've just been targeted. You know, like streamers get like stream sniped. I think Donald Trump watches my lives and stream snipes me. Like I'm being stream sniped. Only there for a minute. We can't say. Yeah, we are, Lazy Queen. The what's it called? The Trump tweeted. Honestly, train was going so well for me until Trump started this war and started tweeting to move the market. Yeah, that is what it is, Big Rick, innit? What's up, Jake and Wannaman? There you go. Look at that. Knew it. But bro, who's in a buy? Keat. Keat's cooking, man. If Keat's in from like here, bro's cooking. Cooking. Well, at least our buy zone went well. Hey? Buy zone went great. Just didn't tap us in. Bro, I actually like you can't even like I've marked it all up on live and it's wicked into my zone and just ran away because of news, bruh. What's up, Jake? What's up, John? You alright? Trump is definitely watching you. Like he actually might be. Get him investigated. He's on me. He's on to me. He's doing something to me. Like this guy is just like, bro. I don't even want to talk about it. You know what though? Zone was good. Do you know what would have been funny if we had like if we had a limit set on like that? What's it called? If we had a limit set on like the top of my zone, and then we just wicked in like that, and it just ran like that. I'll be like, what? Mad. I mean, look, the sell was a good idea. Imagine we got wicked on that AA6 and it just dropped through the floor to TP. That would have been insane. Right, let's bin that off now. Now I guess we're just gonna have to be looking for a sell now. After that, I mean, we got the reaction we wanted from that buy level, didn't we? Annoying. Ooh, 1 second. Let me quickly pull this across so I can see where this low was. There. Cool. Okay. There's not really anything in that golden pocket. However, if we do it here, there will be. Oh no. There you go. Found a way. I don't know, that would be daily opponent plus. Cool. That looks alright. That looks okay. Let's see what else is in this bad boy. There's the 8-6 in there. And there's a 7-8-6. Cool. Let me grab this for the 8-6 again. Entry was there. Happy with that. Right, let's put this up. Let's actually delete that and just put this box over it because we had that by. Annoying. But delete that now. Cool. Cool. Right. Let me look at a low for this. Stop. Cool. Nice sell zone now. Lovely. Anyway, sell at 4-4. Oh yeah, I've got that. 4-4. I've got 4-4. Oh my god, I've just deleted it. Yeah, I've got 4416.72. So basically the same area is happening. And he sells above. Yeah, I've just marked up that Gideon. That NAS you had on your chart just blew. Did it? Let me have a look. Let me. No, it hasn't. Oh my god. What? Bro. Nah, you actually can't, like, you actually can't just make this up. Bro. Oh my days. Nah, you actually can't make that up, can you? State of it, mate. Look at that zone. I've had 2 zones on gold that I've just been, like, trumped through, really. Great. Look at that zone, mate. What? Bro. Okay. Why would I want it? Nah, like, I actually can't get a break, bro. This is actually pissing me off now. Where would my stop would have been here as well? My stop would have been right here. Is that, bro? 2.5R in. How many candles is that? 1, 2, 3. 2.5R in 8 minutes. Yeah, sound. Love life. Bro, what is that? What is that? Bro, I actually can't even. I can't even be bothered, mate. I actually can't even be bothered. What is that? Right. Guarantee we'll take this sell now and our gold will just like. Sorry, I meant your buy limit on NAS, not your zone. Yeah, fair enough. Jesus bloody Trump, yeah. And it keeps going, nah mate, you can't. Hello Bridge, you okay? AA6 on NQ is just below the GPE mark. Could retrace back down to it. Let me see. Let me see. Could do actually. Let me look quickly. What's happening for you? Get rid of this. Got way too much things on my chart right now. Oh yeah, it is just below, yeah. Now, the thing is, we've already got the reaction that we wanted from the from the zone. You know what I mean? See, like, that would have been my entry, look. Right here. This would have been my 86 entry, look. Look at that. Pfft. Madness. 2.8R in literally a couple minutes. Meant your buy limit on NAS noise. Oh, I can't even remember what that was, John. I don't think I have that on my chart anymore. Because I think I remarked up this on NAS. That's why I think I deleted it, but I'm not sure. But yeah, to be fair, if my buy limit was up here, John, yeah, we would have got absolutely destroyed. To be fair. Let's have a look at NAS Daily Open. Where is NAS Daily Open? Here it is. Yeah, NAS Daily Open would have absolutely just destroyed us, I reckon. Mad. Long day. What a long day. Crazy me. Yeah, it was crazy. Very, very funny how literally it's funny, isn't it, how we set a limit and then it just runs away. Like news and then it doesn't even tag us in. Yeah, sound. Imagine we got in on this. Bro. State of it, mate. Absolute state of it. What is that? Our entry was here, wasn't it? 775, yeah. And our stop was down here. Bro, what is that? Look how close we were to getting tapped. Yeah, bro. Don't even want to talk about it anymore. Oh, now it's coming down as well. Bro. That's frustrating. Afternoon musical, you good, bro? You good? Imagine if we got tagged in. I know, Gideon. Don't even talk about it. I don't even want to think about it. Because if we got tapped in, it would have been cinema. It would have been absolute cinema. I would have been like, yes. Finally, news goes in our way. Finally, news goes in our way, please. But yeah, it didn't. As always, I don't think news has ever got in my way. Signals, live stream, don't matter. Honestly, I don't think it's ever gone in our way, ever. Would have been nice. Yeah, would have been beautiful. It would have been amazing. That's what would have been. Bit of a tight stop though, isn't it? Now looking at it. Tad bit of a tight stop. But, you know, I can relook at it. Oh. Cool. W bridge. I took buy and sell Jesus. Bro is Trump. 4357 Avenue J Thunder Bias now saying bearish. You know what, Tommy? What, bearish on gold? I mean, I actually kind of hit that after the straight coming out. Maybe this was just a retracement into factor this impulse move, then drop now. We'll see. We'll see. However, off a move like this is where you want to pull a fib. Like, oh, mate. Fibonacci on a move like this, like push down as well. Oh, you just unlock, please. Thank you. President shouldn't be allowed to tweet. I bet his friends knew he was going to tweet. Hence it was Charlie before. Probably musical. Probably. But this is the world we live in, isn't it? This is the world we live in, unfortunately. But yeah, long, but it's what it is, bro. Is what it is. Let's... What is here? Oh, okay. Previous daily MVL close on this line. You know what though? This golden pocket looks actually really nice. Previous lows as well. I mean, if it's bearish, we don't really want to get in the way of it, to be fair. But I just want to see. Just have a little test. What does the Manchu look like? Ugh. Ooh. 3 minute looks... No, 3 minutes looks actually not that bad. Well, the 1 minute. The 1 minute looks quite good as well. It is straight afternoons though. Very risky. Very risky. But I do agree, musical presidents shouldn't be allowed to tweet now. Because they can just ruin everything then. But, yeah. It is what it is, bro. That's what we got to deal with. 4357 entry. 4347. Oh. What are you looking at, happening? Oh, wait, yeah. Wait, you've actually got this bang on. I have... Wait, I actually have this. Yeah, I have this buy here. Have you been looking at my chart? Both stalking my chart. But yeah, it's a what's it called? It's a GP plus so yeah. 5-7 does look nice. Looks very nice. Yeah, so down here. 4357, then it's VUAP. It's GP close median and VUAP close, which is really nice. And then actually I think the 8-6 sits in as well. Yeah, it does. Very nice. I'll stop at this low here. Nice. James, 4388 look support for last hour. It always reverses here. Please suggest. Amanda, I actually have a buy zone there. Look. Yeah, I have a buy zone here. It's previous lows. Yeah, Amanda, it's just previous lows. It looks nice there though. Previous support. Like you could basically just say this previous support. So yeah, I'm just checking, seeing if it. I mean, realistically though, if you're gonna have a stop loss for this, you're gonna do it. You're gonna do it like entry on here. You're gonna have your stop loss here, like this, and then wherever 1R is, like there. Daily candle is bearish, is risky trading against it. Wait for a pullback on him. Yeah, for real musical, let him cook. But yeah, Amanda, if you're gonna buy, this is what I'd look at buying. But right now, after that tweet, I don't want to touch anything really. I'm just marking up now, being busy with work and can tune in properly on the charts. W's happening. Nice to know I'm finding the same. Yeah, bro, we're cooking. Let him cook, man. But yeah, this was just unfortunate, this zone. Very unfortunate. Which is kind of annoying. But yeah, Amanda, if you're gonna look at a zone, it'd be like this. Like, go and pocket off the lows. Thanks, all good. All good, Amanda. But we'll see. We could see a retracement up. Ideally, I just want to catch a sell now. I think we're going to drop, so I just want to catch a sell off this. Ideally, wait for a retracement, then sell off it, and then go. Entry, don't worry, bridge. Don't worry about the buy entry, because it could just drop through. You've seen what it's like at the moment. All I want to see is a retracement for a sell. NQ is going to hit that 886. Oh, should we watch it? Let's watch it. Give me 15 minutes. Right, it's on the 86 now, isn't it? Oh. Where would your stop be, though? Same stop? I wouldn't have the same one. I'd have, like, down here as a stop. If I was going to use a stop. If I was going to use that, like, use a stop for this. Have a stop like this. Let's 1R. Here. My SL is at 29439. Yeah, you got the same stop as me, pretty much. I've got 29461. However, holy 886. Let it cook. Oh my god, it's almost 1R. Lock-in's happening. Go on, beast. If it is this, it's 1R for me. Go on, push up a little bit more. God damn it. Yeah. That's the annoying thing though, happening. When you have zones marked up and it reacts, you don't really want to take another thing off it. But sometimes you take it and it works really well. But yeah, it's not a 1R yet though. Ugh. Jesus. Oh, we're getting a retracement now. Oh, VWAP's in this A86. No, A86 gone pocket. Really want to take this, to be honest. Why have we like kind of gone back to a range actually? If we ignore that big move down, we're literally still in the range. Let me get all this off my chart quickly. Got way too much shit everywhere. You can stay down there like that. That's fine. You can push across. You can push across. going up. God. Can I see your gold sell? Yeah, you can see the numbers on screen, Gideon, that I'm looking at. I'll wait for it to get up there. But if Thunderbites is now saying bearish, then we best be looking for sales, really. We best be looking for them goddamn sales. Kind of getting like a I do like this golden pocket sell though. I think this looks really nice. VWAP in it as well. Oh wow. Maybe not after that impulse move. Jesus. Scary stuff that is. We'll see. We'll see. After getting trumped and tweeted, like what am I meant to do? Everything's just gonna get piled through, probably. But like, this would have been our entry, yeah. Yeah, here we go. This would have been our entry. But with the Trump tweet, just not feeling it really. Look at these candles. What in the candles is this? Then look, nice rejection, then it'll fly right through, probably. Average price action after Trump tweets, by the way. Watch, tagged in, nice reaction, then it'll fly straight through. Happens every time. Ready? Go on, do it. Feeling good about not forcing a trade today so far. Nice happening. But yeah, I agree. Like, you see me marking up stuff and I'm just like, there's just no point taking anything. Like right now. After that Trump tweet, we're just jumping around doing what we want. So that's the main thing about trading. Never force anything. Like, look, if we took this, we'd just got absolute, look, I literally, I called it as well. Piled through again. Oh wait, hang on. Well, I've done something here. But yeah, I agree. It's happening. It's not about force. Like, you should never force a trade, especially when the market's like this. You're like, ugh. Oh wow. Never mind. Might be cooking. Oh, never mind. No, we're not. I have the highest sell limit set though, or will I not put it on? No, keep that set, M4. Keep that set. That's nice. That's a nice area. Take these highs, then push up, sell off. That would be nice. But yeah, this is just story of like, this is why you don't touch trades after Trump tweets ever, because it just doesn't. VWAP, everything, nothing, like, ever, just doesn't look good. However, we could see an 86 reaction here. 86 off the what's it called, the range. Let's see. But yeah, if you did get in on what's it called? If you did get in off that buy level, you are cooking now. Look at that buy level. Look at it, bro. If you got in on this, dub. W mans. Whoever getting on that, W. Oof. Close to stop loss that would have been. But yeah, gold is off. Oh wow. No way the 86 is gonna hold up. That would have tapped some people out, actually. Definitely. Let's see if this 86. Oh, the 86 almost would have worked. Wow, the 86 would have ran 1 hour. Crazy town that. Look at that rejection there. Oh my god. It ran one arm and then just flew. Crazy. I had a sell limit at 4.02. I ran so fast. Yeah, musical. I had this set. Where is it? I had a buy limit set literally here. On this line here. I had a buy limit set here. And literally, if you look back on the live, I was like, oh yeah, guys, set this. This buy level looks really good. And then I just sort of dumped through. I was like, oh. But it didn't tag us in, which is annoying. Imagine it tapped us in and just flew. That would have been like cinema. W news trade. But yeah, unlucky. Very unlucky, but yeah. I mean, look, this sell's running quite nice now, actually. If we don't take these highs with this candle, looks alright. This is so crazy. SL profit. So many times back to zero. Don't get any. Uncle, honestly, the main thing with trading is just literally just a what's the word, like psychological battle. It is so mentally testing. You'll see that happen all the time. Like SL profit happens all the time, but then there'll be that one time where you don't get it, and it's like you'll start seeing like, what's it called, like progress. But yeah, oh wow, crazy. Okay, so some random 886 just works then, does it? Yeah, sound. Okay. Okay. Bro, if this drops to TP, Jesus. Off a random 886 in the range is just mental. Boo Pidge, what's happening or not? Oh god. I've just sold gold at 404 SL4439. Whoa, that's a big SL, bro. Jesus. Jason, that is a huge SL. However, I mean, look, gold's running nice now. So, of course, the one time I look at like the range strat, it goes well, but just weird, bro. So weird. Weird one. Oh well. With around 3.5 R probably will hit TP. Because that's just how gold is nowadays. But that would have been such a nice sell. Look at that. Oh. Beautiful. Beautiful. 14.67 R as well. What a dub. What a dub. Cool. W bridge, man. W lowest as well. But yeah, of course. Yeah, I don't even know. Of course, we get trumped while we're live again. The bad luck curse, whatever you want to call it, continues. And then, of course, the one thing I mark up as soon as I say, oh yeah, we look at adding on sales, to be fair, just wait for a retracement, and then it goes to the 86 and it goes well. Okay. Lotus, this was Trump here. This candle here. That was Trump, Lotus. He tweeted. Wasn't great. Cool. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be me done on the live. I'm gonna literally leave this on my chart and watch it hit TP because we haven't took it, and that's just the curse we deal with. But yeah, honestly, appreciate you all joining the live. If it comes up to that sell zone, I will signal it. That sell zone looks nice. But apart from that, yeah, man, I appreciate you all joining. Unlucky again, we got trumped. I can't even make it up anymore. Like, it just happens, bro. It just happens. Like, signals, lives, anything. You want a guy that gets trumped, yeah? You got one right in front of your eyes. Literally, you're telling me I have a buy limit, yeah, and it comes within like a couple pips of hitting. And then Yeah. Afternoon, Sean. Your Euro JPY. Hang on. Let me whip this up quick. What about it, Gideon? If you're asking if it's still valid, yes, it is. Euro JPY is still valid. Still good. Yeah, it is. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I'll see you all. I'll see you all tonight. For Asia. Hopefully, we get a daily open win. Let's get it. In a bit, Lois. In a bit, Bridge. In a bit, Gideon, Jeff. Oh, Jason, Alex, Ian, Sean, Lazy Queen, John, Lady H. Wait, what? Take care, mate. Just sneak bitten. Oh god. Sapnin, Ray. What's it called? Raymond, Musical, M4, Majid. Who else was in it? Amanda, Robski, Tommy. In a bit, everyone. Peace.